Welcome to Module 3, Section 1. In this section we're going to look at downloading the TUFXP MT4 interface software. This software captures and holds the price data from the Alpari MT4 software and then allows us to use it in the TUFXP charts, which we're going to see in Section 2. So to download the software, you should already be logged into your account. Come over to the Software tab and left click on this. This will bring up the page for the software. We've got the TUFXP charting software there, and then below this we have the MT4 data feed. In order to download, we're just going to left click on the link, and in Internet Explorer we get the window at the bottom that says run, save and cancel. We're just going to left click and click on save, and then when we're ready to install we can left click on run. Whilst I'm here, and if you're using any of the other browsers, that is Google Chrome for example, let me just load this and we go to software again and then onto the link for the MT4 data feed. I'm going to left click on this, and here we see the file being downloaded in the bottom left here, and we then get this warning message that comes up. If we go to the drop down arrow, we can go to keep, and then we can double click on this file in the bottom left on the Google Chrome browser to launch the installation. If you're using Firefox, I'll just launch this window as well. I'll come up to Software tab again. This takes us to the software page, and then to download the software we left click on the download MT4 data feed. This time we get the opening screen here for the file. We're going to save the file, and this brings up the downloads window here as well. And again, to load it using Mozilla Firefox, just double click on the file in the downloads pane here. So for those that are using Internet Explorer, we'll just go back to that, and we can see we've got this same warning message at the bottom here. You don't have to worry about this, and what we can do is just come up to run, left click on this, and as you can see from here I'm using Windows 8. It's saying that running this application might put the PC at risk. It's not true, so you can go ahead and left click on more info and left click on run anyway. This will then bring up the user control account on the screen, and in order to continue with the installation we have to click on yes, and that starts the installation. Let me just minimize Internet Explorer in the background there. So all we have to do once the installation starts is left click on next, click on I accept, then click next again. This then brings up the destination for the installation. Just accept the default and left click on install. This now shows you the installation of the MT4 data feed, and as soon as this is complete we left click on finish. This concludes section 1 of module 3, where we've downloaded and installed the MT4 data feed for TUFXP charts. If you have any questions regarding this, then please consult the Getting Started manual that came with the course, or speak to a member of the support team who will be only too pleased to assist where necessary. In the next section, section 2, we're going to be looking at downloading and installing the TUFXP charting software.